Central Florida doctors and patients helped get a new cancer drug approved by the FDA. But get this, unlike chemo or radiation, this drug, George, is taken via a pill for adults and a liquid for children.
Incredible, Martha. Channel 9 Sierra Putman learned Nemours Children's Hospital in Lake Nona actually treated the first child in the entire world using it. And Sierra, you spoke to a local mom whose daughter is now cancer-free. She tells you the drug worked and her daughter had 0 side effects.
Isn't that crazy? But it's true. The doctor I spoke to said that's possible because this drug only targets a specific rare mutation found in some cancers. So this little girl and other patients didn't lose their hair or suffer from severe fatigue or nausea. But this is expensive, $11,000 a month for kids, but some insurance companies will cover it. 20-month-old Ava Joust was not even walking well when her mom, Kate, noticed something was wrong with her right leg.
It was like a rock, hard like a rock.
This past February, doctors said that rock-like substance was a rare malignant tumor.
I felt like I took a deep breath in, and I couldn't breathe back out.
Instead of chemo or radiation, doctors at Nemours wanted to add Ava to a clinical study for Vitrakvi. It's generically known as larotrectinib. Adults take a pill, kids get a liquid. Instead of focusing on a cancer in a particular part of the body, the drug targets a specific gene in the tumor, a rare mutation found in a variety of cancers.
From lung cancer to salivary gland tumors to thyroid cancers.
55 patients were part of the study. Dr. Rama Martin Nagasubramanian and others across the country report positive change in both adults and kids.
So in 93% of patients with very minimal side effects, and yet was producing responses that we've never seen in decades.
This week, the FDA granted accelerated approval for the drug. Kate Joust is glad. She reports noticing change almost immediately.
We realized 2 days. Yeah.
That rock-like tumor?
It was soft.
It shrank by 82% in 5 months, letting doctors remove it without amputating Ava's leg. A scar remains, but this week, no more sign of cancer.
I feel very happy, and it's like the air came back in.
And now Ava is still part of this study, and she'll have to be checked on for several months just to make sure everything's okay.
I've got goosebumps after hearing that. In just 2 days, the tumor went from being hard to soft. Amazing, Sierra. You mentioned this drug was tested on adults and kids at the same time, but doctors tell you that's pretty rare.
It's rare. And think about it. People are apprehensive to test kids prematurely, but because they did this doctor is hoping that in the future, doctors, both pediatric doctors and regular physicians, are going to work together. And that way, kids are going to get treatments sooner. Right now, it takes longer for kids to get new drugs.
What a story. In our own backyard in Lake Nona.
Right here. Go to
First
Nemours.
to test kids.
Yeah.
Wow.
All right, Sierra. Thank you so much.